Hey everyone, it's Dr. Kelly. I'm back with some more GDAX trading. So first of all, I wanted to show you that from yesterday, I was able to accomplish my goal of earning 1% in the market. So it actually calculated to 2.4%. Now remember, I was just playing with 50 something bucks. So I'm watching this because I've been watching this since it started, probably since I started doing this, right? So if I had gotten in right here with my little $54.14, I would have rode the wave up to here, and then I would have sold the Bitcoin that I bought down here. I would have sold it up here, and then I probably would have sold it sooner than that. I may have sold it like right around here, okay? Because I don't mind getting a little piece of something, you know, because you never know the future. You never know if it's going to stop here, okay, or if it's going to go higher, or if it's going to turn around and go lower. Okay, so anyway, I didn't. I just been watching it, and now this would have been the perfect point to sell whatever Bitcoin you got here. You sell them here. Now you have US dollars. So now you wait for it to go down as far as it's going to go down. And again, no one knows what that is, okay, but at some point I'm going to get back into this, and I'm going to go ahead and wait for what I think is going to be a bottom. I think it might get to a bottom like maybe here or maybe here, and I would buy in again and then wait for it to travel right back up somewhere way over here in the future. Okay, so let me show you real quick. This is where we are now. This is what I started with. Okay, so let's do the math and figure out the percentage of that. So we have 54.14. 54.14. Okay, so 54.14. We're going to take away 52.83. 52.83. That equals that. Okay, and then we divide that by the initial amount, which is 52.83. So we divide, click it again, make sure, 52.83, and that equals, move the decimal point over 2 times, 1, 2. So that trade that I did starting last night around midnight, let's see what time it was, look at screenshot, says 12:25. Okay, and that's when my order was filled. See, filled? So that's when it was filled. Okay, at 12:25. So starting from then until when I sold, I made 2.4% return on this trade. My goal, as I said, is to make 1% a day. Alright, so basically I accomplished that in one trade. Okay, so I'm up a day. So even if I don't get into the market today, tonight, even if I don't, I'm still ahead of the game. So again, I have plenty of room to wait it out. Like I said, I do think it's going to go back down to here. If it does, great, then I can get back in. If not, that's fine. I'm still ahead of the game because my goal is 1% a day. So I'm very happy about that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to keep playing this, and I want to see if I can do this on a consistent basis. And if I can, then of course I'll take this 54 and turn it into a larger amount and still do the exact same thing, follow the exact same pattern, and see if I can make 1% a day on a larger amount. Okay, 1% a day times 365 days is 365% a year. Alright, so that would be kind of nice. So if we're fast forward thinking, let's say 54 bucks times 365% equals 10,643, if I did that right. So that's not bad. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm not sure if I did that multiplication right, but I think I did. So anyway, we will see. So that's it for this video. I will be coming up with another video because I want to show you the screenshots that I did step by step by step. So I'm going to organize them first, and if I can get that, I want to show you exactly what I did and why I did it, and point out all the specific points and things so you can understand this platform as well. Alright, because again, I'm still learning the platform and getting the hang of it, because I use other platforms, but this is one that I'm just getting to learn. So anyway, have a good one and take care now. Bye-bye.